Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then click on Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher and wait for available devices to show up. Click at the one that you want to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!